Hi YouTube friends, welcome to my channel. I thought I would show you my bedroom tonight. It's a little different, it's evening and it's casting an unusual shadow, but I thought I would show you my floor. I painted it 2 different colors and then I sealed it. You do have to be careful with this. I was not careful and I have scratched it by not protecting the feet of the furniture, but it is more durable than you think. It's really great. I really love it. My floor was not in great shape, and the other alternative was carpet, which I didn't want to do. So I painted it. So it's fun. Give it a try. If you have any questions about it, let me know. There's my little sweet Zorro laying at the foot of the bed. I have this little coffee table that I put down there so he could get up on the bed easy. I'm going to talk about my headboard. It's so beautiful. It came from World Market. It's handmade, India. It's just beautifully carved. It really gives the look that I was trying to go for in here. So the bedspread that's down here at the end is a beautiful satin bedspread with the chenille tufting. It's vintage. I don't really remember where I got it. I don't know if I got it at an auction or a thrift store, you know, or it was just one of my fun finds. But it's great. I really like it. Then I'm going to pan over here and show you these great panels that I found. They were actually on a TV entertainment center, a great big dark walnut looking one. It wasn't real wood, but. So I got the piece just for the panels. Painted them white, distressed them a bit. Added different sets of corbels on each panel and at the bottom to kind of finish it off a little bit. And I think it looks great. So, you know, you always see these great china cabinet doors, entertainments, big old entertainment centers that nobody wants anymore. But sometimes they have really great doors on them. Paint them. Hang them on the wall as a decor. They're beautiful. I mean, I'm going to zoom in here and let you look at the raised panels. Aren't they beautiful? It even had this great hardware. And there's the corbels that I'd gotten at a garage sale. And I almost resold them at a garage sale, and then I'm glad I didn't. I had them in the garage, so I just put them up there. I thought it kind of finished it off. Oh, and that light over there by my husband's side of the bed was a trash can. And I just poked a hole in it. I wanted a metal one that looked kind of Moroccan, but I couldn't afford one of those really cool ones. So I just found that trash can and I used it as a light. So maybe someday I'll buy a really cool one. And then this is little Zorro's teepee where he sleeps at night. Now my nightstands were colonial style mahogany with the brass handles. I painted it gray, added some nice, it's a lot softer gray than that, but the lighting is not good. But I put some pretty handles on there. And I stenciled it to look like India bone inlay, like you'd get at Anthropologie's for, what, over $1,000? These were like, oh gosh, maybe 12 bucks each. And I painted them and stenciled them. So, I think it gives the same look. It definitely gives the look I was going for. But I couldn't afford those expensive ones. So, and then here I have a large macrame that I made for in here. Kind of a boho look. I'll give you a little secret. I'm going to go to California for my daughter's wedding. And I will be staying at her really cool apartment in Venice Beach. And I will be filming her apartment, and she has one of my large macrames out there that I made for her. So I'm just going to pan back around, show you my bedroom. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, hit like. If you like my channel, please subscribe. And thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Love you guys. Have a great night. Bye.